Hey everyone, Tech Barn back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this pretty cool product that claims to be able to double the battery lifespan of your phone. Now you might be asking, how is that possible? Let me give you a little insight as to how it is and show you more about the battery guard by Canal. Now to give you guys a better idea, let's take a look at the big picture for this product. Now the main issue that we have nowadays is that when we're going to bed or before we go to bed, we decide to plug in our phones and leave them plugged in for the rest of the night. Because obviously we all want to wake up with 100% battery to be able to go about our days and do our things. But the problem with that is once you plug it in for the entire night, there's going to be a portion of time where your phone's already at 100%, but there's still going to be battery and energy flowing through the cable into your phone. But what the battery guard does is you plug it in on one side and you plug your cord in on the other side. And with their special algorithm, it makes sure that it charges your phone periodically throughout the night, ensuring that your phone doesn't hit 100% until you set a time in which you want to wake up and have your phone be at 100%. It's very simple, and it just makes sure that your phone doesn't heat up at night, because that's the main issue here. Now, as you can see, the battery guard that we have is not its final form. If you were to back this project on Kickstarter, the one that you would receive would be made out of a lot more premium material. The one that we have at the moment is 3D printed, but then again, it completely gets the job done. Now, another cool thing about the battery guard is that it is environmentally friendly. And you might ask, how does this tiny thing equate to being environmentally friendly? It's pretty simple. The fact that it doubles the lifespan of your phone battery makes it so that you don't have to either get your phone battery replaced or buy a new phone, which, in sense, keeps a lot more e-waste out of landfills. Now, to give you guys an idea of how easy it is to use, here's a quick demo. As you can see right now, we're just plugging it into the port. Afterwards, we take our charging cord, plug that in as well. We go on the app and we set the time in which we want to wake up at. And finally, you just leave your phone to charge, and that's it. Now, if you would like a battery guard for yourself, the link to the Kickstarter is in the description below where you can pick one up. Now, if you stuck around till the end of the video, you already know the deal. A like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It honestly means the world to us and it helps our channel grow day by day. This has been Tech Barn, and as always, stay premium.